I thought I'd start this video out with my outfit of the day. It's my walking dog outfit. I'm wearing this color blocked pullover sweatshirt. It has a little hoodie to it and pockets. I love it. It is super soft. It has a little band right down below my hips with my white shorts and my little loafers that I got from Target. Hey everyone, how you doing today? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. This video is going to be a short video on a new eyelash serum. I have been trying out so many eyelash serums because if you've watched my videos before, you know I kind of have this saga of crappy, thin, balding lashes. I've been trying anything to make them grow, and I tried castor oil for a while. It worked, it thickened them a little bit, but not really. It didn't really help a couple of the little bald spots that I have on my lashes, so I thought I would go to more of the heavier duty real lash serums to see how they worked. This product, I believe you call it Chella. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. I'm gonna call it Chella. This product was sent to me from Octoly, from the company Chella, and I'm going to give you my honest review on this product. First, let me tell you a little bit about this if you're not familiar with this, because I was not familiar with this company at all. This is an eyelash conditioning treatment. It's supposed to give you longer, thicker lashes in 6 weeks. Now, I didn't have a chance to test it out yet for a full 6 weeks. What you're supposed to do with this is you're supposed to put it on your clean eyelashes once in the morning on the lash line, and then also once in the evening on the lash line, and then just kind of let it soak in, and then I apply any creams that I would normally put on my face. Now on the back of this it says I really should start seeing some results after 4 weeks. The formula is designed to nourish and condition the lashes. The reason I wanted to try this particular eyelash serum from Chella is that it is a prostaglandin free combination of peptides, antioxidants, and bioactive signaling molecules that will make the lashes grow safely and gently. Prostaglandin free. That is why I specifically wanted to try this one to see if it worked. So what are prostaglandins? Prostaglandins are a kind of lipid that's derived from fatty acids. I was watching a video by Dr. Dre, the dermatologist, and she was talking about some of the side effects of prostaglandin serums for your eyelashes, and I've always really been leery of testing them out. I did test out one that did have prostaglandins in, which I will show you in a separate video. This one is prostaglandin free. When you have an eyelash serum that does contain prostaglandins in it, it can darken your lids. It can cause a lot of irritation around your eyes. It can cause blurry vision. I have a really hard time putting something near my eyes that could really seriously possibly affect my vision. I'm just kind of a chicken that way. I have been putting it on my lashes in the morning and at night. It never irritates my eyes. It never makes them itch. It never makes them swell. It never gives me blurry vision. I've tried several that did do that, and while they may not have been harming my eyes, I am a chicken when it comes to my eyesight. They say on the box you should start seeing things in 4 weeks, but then I've also read where it said 6 weeks to get super thick, long lashes. So I will come back again with a video to give you an update on this after I've used this for about 2 months and let you know how I like it. My eyelashes do feel conditioned, which is one of the claims on this. I'm going to keep using this and let you know how it goes over a 2-month time period. Let me show you quickly the before and afters after using this Chella eyelash serum. I only got a chance to use this a month so far, so I really can't say definitely if it's done anything for my eyelashes yet. The before picture is actually on the right and the after picture is on the left. Now maybe on this eye there might be just a touch of hair growth. I have kind of a little bald spot to the, I would say, diagonal right of my pupil there. And on the after picture on the left, it looks like it might have thickened up a touch, but not much yet. I really can't say that this has done much yet in just the 4-week time period. And now let's switch to my other eye and take a look at the comparison. Again, the after picture is on the left and the before picture is on the right. Maybe a touch of tiny microscopic growth, but nothing like a miraculous thickening yet. So we're just going to have to wait and see on this. I will check back with you at the end of about 2.5 months and let you know how this lash serum has performed. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.